The silhouette in the fog. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learning Not Teaching channel. And this space is only for practicing my English. So if you notice any mistakes when I speak or write, please correct me in the comments. Today, I want to share a story my mom told me many years ago. It's one of those stories that stays in your mind because you never know if it was real or something else. As I've mentioned before, we used to live in the countryside far from the city. The nearest one was about an 8 hour walk away. We didn't have electricity, so at night we used lamps or candles uh, uh, to light the house. My family work in the farming and raising animals, and on our land there were two wells. Uh, one we used for drinking water, and another uh, farther away where we wash clothes. But were natural springs, meaning water came straight out of the ground. One day, my mom went to the further well to wash clothes. As usual, she laid the clothes out nearby so they could dry in the sun. Later in the afternoon, as the sun was setting, she went back to collect them. It was around 6 o'clock. The fog was thick, a light thick and a light drizzle was falling. For us, used to heavy storms, that wasn't a big deal. While she walked back, she left someone walking behind her. She didn't pay much attention, thinking it was my dad. He usually come home around that time. The figure in the fog looked familiar. The jacket, the pants, everything matched. Um, she kept walking calmly, but step by step, she started feeling strangers. Just a few meters from the house, a chill ran down her spine. Suddenly, a thought hit her. If that person wasn't my dad? She remembered many stories people told in the area about entities um, that appeared in the fog, spirits that took on human shapes to confuse the living. One story stood out in her mind years ago. A young girl had been followed by someone that thought the recognized uh, when she turned to look, she found it. Her family found her later unconscious near the river with that memory in her head. My mom decided not to turn around. She walked firmly, but out of the corner of her eye, noticed the figure had stopped following her. Um, it stood still next to a large rock right before reaching the house. When she finally entered, she found my dad already sitting with us. He had arrived nearly an hour early. So who had been following her. um, we all stayed silent. In our area, crime was almost non-existent. So the first thing we thought of was something uh, sup- sup- supernatural. Uh, That night, my parents warned us never walk near the wells of the hills when there's fog. Many people have gotten lost like that. Some come back, others simply never return. But that's another story for now. I'll just leave this one here. I don't know what my mom really experienced. I'm just telling you what she told us. And to this day, the doubt is still there. That's okay. That's all for today.